Why are multi-million-dollar surface-to-air missile networks suddenly rendered completely useless by inexpensive unmanned aerial systems? When 5 North Korean drones crossed the military demarcation line into South Korean airspace in December 2022, reaching the northern periphery of Seoul near the presidential enclave, the Republic of Korea, armed forces found themselves deeply exposed. Conventional air defenses fired over 100 rounds and deployed Ka-1 light attack aircraft, yet failed to neutralize a single threat while losing 1 aircraft in an accident. The strategic risk was undeniable, leaving vital infrastructure vulnerable to asymmetric saturation strikes. Leading global defense analysts argue that, on paper, their only tactical salvation would be the rapid deployment of the K30W Sky Tiger, a revolutionary 8x8 wheeled self-propelled anti-aircraft gun built by Hanwha Aerospace. Developed under the Anti-Aircraft Gun Wheeled Project, the 20-ton K30W Sky Tiger integrates twin 30mm KKCB automatic cannons mounted on a Hyundai Rotem K808 armored vehicle chassis. Firing 30 by 170mm ammunition at a combined rate of 1,200 rounds per minute, it expands effective engagement range to 3,000 meters, representing a 160% increase over legacy 20mm Vulcan systems. Driven by a 430 horsepower diesel engine reaching road speeds exceeding 95 kilometers per hour across a 500-kilometer operational range, the system relies on an advanced Electro Optical Targeting System with thermal imaging and laser range-finding to track low radar cross-section targets without emitting active radar signals. Achieving over 95% localization across 200 domestic defense contractors, the K30W Sky Tiger provides an economically viable shield against low-altitude aerial incursions. Before we go on, do you think wheeled mobile artillery is the ultimate answer to modern drone warfare? And tell me where you are watching from. Subscribe to the channel now to stay updated on the latest military innovations. To understand the raw defensive capacity of the K30W Sky Tiger, military analysts look directly at its core weapon architecture and mobility dynamics. Engineered by Hanwha Aerospace in coordination with the Defense Acquisition Program Administration, the primary armament consists of twin 30mm KKCB automatic cannons, manufactured under license by S&T Dynamics. Operating at a sustained firing rate of 600 rounds per minute per barrel, the dual system discharges a combined 1,200 rounds per minute of 30 by 170mm high explosive incendiary ammunition. With an effective slant engagement range of 3,000 meters, it vastly outperforms legacy M167 Vulcan 20mm platforms, which were limited to roughly 1,800 meters. During live-fire operational evaluations conducted by the Republic of Korea Army in August 2022, the twin cannons demonstrated high precision against low-altitude, high-speed targets. From an economic perspective, deploying guided surface-to-air missiles like Chiron or Stinger costs between $100,000 and $200,000 per intercept. In sharp contrast, a focused 30-round burst from the K30W Sky Tiger consumes approximately $3,000, delivering an essential cost asymmetric solution against saturation drone incursions. The system achieves rapid tactical positioning by utilizing the Hyundai Rotem K808 8x8 armored infantry vehicle platform. Powered by a 430 horsepower turbocharged diesel engine, the 20-ton system reaches top highway speeds exceeding 95 kilometers per hour, with an operational range of 500 kilometers. This represents a massive mobility leap over the tracked K30W, which reached only 65 kilometers per hour. For passive target identification, the system utilizes a modern Electro Optical Targeting System developed by Hanwha Systems and LIG Nex 1. Featuring high-resolution thermal FLIR cameras, television imaging, and eye-safe laser rangefinders, the K30W Sky Tiger tracks micro, unmanned aerial vehicles without emitting active radio frequency signals, keeping the platform virtually undetectable by enemy electronic support measures. Despite these impressive firepower and speed metrics, defense analysts highlight a critical design trade-off that presents a significant tactical vulnerability. To keep unit costs between $4,500,000 United States dollars and $6 million United States dollars, roughly half the cost of the tracked K30W variant, Hanwha Aerospace completely removed the onboard TPS 830K X-band search radar from the K30W Sky Tiger turret. The platform also stripped away the 4 short-range KPSAM Chiron surface to air missile launchers seen on the hybrid K30W. This structural omission creates an absolute reliance on third-party target cueing. The K30W Sky Tiger cannot conduct wide-area, long-range radar surveillance independently. Instead, it functions as a firing node within the broader command control and communications network, receiving real-time target coordinates from Central C2, a low-altitude surveillance radar units via tactical data links. Once target vector data is received, the K30W Sky Tiger slews its turret automatically and engages using its Electro Optical Targeting System. However, this architectural dependence exposes a serious tactical failure point in high-intensity electronic warfare environments. If opposing forces deploy aggressive radio frequency, jamming to sever command network data links, the platform loses its primary early warning feed. Under heavy jamming, the system is reduced to line-of-sight manual or electro-optical acquisition, severely constricting its effective reaction window against fast-moving low-altitude threats. Furthermore, without integrated surface-to-air missiles, the system loses the ability to engage aerial targets beyond its 3,000-meter cannon envelope. While this deliberate trade-off maximizes mass production feasibility and highway mobility across the Korean peninsula, it forces military commanders to carefully integrate the K30W Sky Tiger alongside dedicated radar platforms and longer-range air defense assets to avoid creating defensive coverage gaps during network-degraded operations. Looking toward future operational theater requirements, defense planners view the K30W Sky Tiger not as a static platform, but as a continuously evolving air defense ecosystem. Achieving a domestic localization rate exceeding 95% across 200 South Korean defense companies, the system secures supply chain independence and protects Hanwha Aerospace from foreign export restrictions. To address current engagement limitations, defense industry analysts project 3 distinct evolutionary paths for the platform over the coming years. First, military planners anticipate the integration of programmable airburst ammunition technology, similar to 30mm ahead rounds. By dispensing subprojectiles right before target intercept, a single burst can neutralize entire swarms of micro, unmanned aerial vehicles with high probability. Second, following mass deployment across the Republic of Korea Army, the K30W Sky Tiger is positioned as a prime candidate for international defense exports to Eastern Europe and the Middle East, offering a cost-effective counter-drone shield mounted on proven 8x8 armored chassis. Third, engineers are evaluating the integration of compact high-energy laser modules directly onto the turret frame to defeat commercial drones at near zero cost per shot. The deployment of the K30W Sky Tiger offers a profound lesson for modern warfare. True defense air superiority no longer relies solely on multi-million-dollar exquisite missile networks, but on achieving economic and operational balance against asymmetric threats. By sacrificing organic radar for unmatched road mobility and rapid gun salvo fire, South Korea has created a pragmatic template for cost-effective drone defense along the Demilitarized Zone. Do you believe sacrificing on-board radar for superior mobility and lower unit cost is the correct strategy for modern short-range air defense? Or does it leave armored formations dangerously exposed during network blackouts?